What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with the video, and today we are walking around the flea market. We got some good picks, but we also, I wouldn't say we got scammed, but we bought a fake Pokemon game. I didn't know it was fake when buying it, but just stay tuned and watch what happens. I'm doing alright, how you doing? It's good to hear.
Looking for anything in particular, or just browsing a bit?
I'm just looking a bit. You collect cards or something?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It's for the iPod?
Yeah, it's the iPod, I think.
Yeah. That's old.
Yeah. Or my GoPro was not working, I guess. I don't know why. It's at like 30%, but I bought two little things. I got one guitar here. Guitar, I didn't even look it up. I paid $3 for this. He said it's working. I paid $3. This has to be worth at least 20 bucks, right, guys? And we bought this little Dragon Ball figure. Of course, you know me. Love that Dragon Ball stuff. Bought this. I think paid $5 for this. How much on these ones?
How much? $6.
They fill ones. I got the vanilla filled churros or whatever.
What's going on, bro?
I'm just gonna get one of these.
Go ahead.
All right, thank you, man.
Yeah.
In here. Oh wait, isn't there? I forget. I haven't pulled a pack in a while. Woo! A chestnut V. Hey, at least you got something. All right, guys. That wasn't a crazy buy, you know. I mean, look, there's two without a dongle. It sells for 17, but this one right here with no dongle also sold for 25. So I think I can get 20 or 25 bucks out of this, and I paid $3. So look at this line right here. Can you guys see that behind that fence? Those are cars going all, look, it's right there. It goes all the way down there. It goes all the way wrapped around into like right here is where there are so many cars in line to come selling today. Holy crap. Dude, I'm not sure where all these people are getting their Legos from, but why is so many vendors just selling Legos? It's so weird. They're like stealing them or something? Like, how is everybody getting so many Legos? What'd you buy? What is this?
It's called a Burberry bag.
Oh, wow.
They genuine. They paid for it.
Genuine.
Yeah, these people.
How much did you pay for it?
I paid 40.
I'm assuming you buy it like for looks, or I'm assuming you can sell it for like
Burberry,
twice.
man. Have you ever heard of Burberry?
I almost want to ask, like, where are all these people getting their Legos from? Like, there's so many stalls selling Legos, guys. Like, there's like 2 stalls in Pacific that I've seen have the same Legos for literally months. Like, straight up 4 months or something. Like, I'll sell on my eBay offer you. I don't know, I'll help you out. What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, bro. How you been?
Doing all right.
Good to see you.
All right, let's see what we can find here, guys. I almost bought a pack right there, but I need to make some more money before I straight up just go and spend it on more Pokemon packs, huh? Let's make some money. How much you guys asking on this Atari Flashback?
25.
How much for the Xbox?
25.
All right, and you said 35 for this?
35, 25.
All right. How much on these games? It's $1 on these. I mean, do you have like do you have like a case I can put this in if I buy it? Do you have like an empty case I can put like any case? Okay, thank you.
$1.
All right, thank you.
Fine.
You have a good day. I buy those Atari Flashbacks all the time, and they sell for about $25 online. Maybe 35 is pushing. That's like the most you'll get out of that thing, brand new, sealed. In my opinion, it should be that price. You gotta give some slack, you know. I would have maybe paid 15, 10 probably. I would have paid for it and sold it for 30. But 35 for that is literally, it's the asking price online. How much on the Wii? Let me see if it's all in here.
I don't even know.
What are you looking at, son?
I need
Some random stuff, Dad. Why?
A cell phone?
That's $2 a piece.
It's a very old looking
Okay,
thing, Dad. Here's a cell phone, yeah.
Okay.
What you asking on this?
I'll do like,
Give me a plastic bag.
Okay.
I'll do like 20. I mean, what is it? Like a Motorola radio?
I think it's like an older type phone, yeah. You go $5 on this thing?
How much?
I'll do $1.
6 on this, yeah.
Yeah. All right, buddy.
He owes me 16.
Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Sorry about that. Here you go, though.
Where we at?
Yeah.
Thank you. I paid $5 for that thing. I see a bunch of things for parts. It sells for like 30, 35, even $40 for that for parts. So I want to look up that phone too. We said $20 for that. $50 right here, case and charger. There's not many sales. Like it's gonna take a long time for that to even sell. How much of the game still? 20.
20.
All right. Cool.
Yeah. Honey. Esto.
How about this one?
12.
She decides how much?
Yeah. How much for this? 20 bucks.
Yo, man, you like Pokemon cards? You like Pokemon cards? You can have them. If you, I just opened this pack. I don't really want it. There's some cool cards in there, though. If you want it. How much are you asking on these?
$7 each.
Alright. Cool little sealed models. How about on these ones?
$5 each.
Alright. That's funny. These are the models my dad just got a bunch of. Thank you. You have a good day. I just keep looking at random stuff at this booth, and there's like money to be made here. Look at like this scale. It sells for like $25 online. I bet like he's really not asking too much. How much you asking on the scale?
Let's go. 25. What's going on, bro?
How much you asking on this?
Let's do like $4.
You go 20 for these three?
You do like 22.
I got you. Alright, thank you.
Cool. Thank you.
I can make upwards of 3 times the money on that sale. Thank you.
You have no coins and jewelry for sale? Tomorrow.
You don't know if the N64 works, right? Yeah, I feel that's good.
Most likely it probably work. It's a 64. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, the red or normal jumper pack.
I think it's a normal one. I'll get it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yo, what's up, cheeseburger?
Daddy sent you here.
He said you got games.
I have games and every kind.
Oh, you brought back all these good games you're showing us?
Yeah.
How much you asking on
Hope
like?
you're not in the live video.
How much you asking on, like the God of War?
I want 300 for everything.
Oh, everything. All right.
Everything. And everyone have a game. Maybe inside, maybe outside too. Double, who cares? 300 that line here. And it's worth it. You know.
How much on this PSP?
God damn. You need a live camera. Hi guys.
Say hi to Cheeseburger.
No problem.
How much you asking on like that GameCube?
I tell him that.
I'm interested in these.
Oh. I tell him 100 for the package.
Where'd you get all these games from? You got all for one unit?
That
What the
one's
heck?
jackpot for 300, no?
I mean, I have no idea the prices, but if I
That
scan
one is
them,
like 200 bucks, that one. Search him. What do you mean you
Why
don't
don't-
know price? You
I
know
don't.
price better than me.
I don't. I know eBay knows the price. Why don't you sell them online then, Cheeseburger?
No, the box is kind of beat up, and I'm not online man.
You gotta be an online man. This one was $700 brand new though. All right, so
No, 300. I search him. That one is pop up like 200, 300 for
Yeah,
some. $300 for a whole
400
thing is
brand new.
jackpot. Somebody buy it. This jackpot.
yeah, someone's gotta make money right there. I don't know if I.
You're saying 3 for this whole.
The whole thing. That's fucking jackpot, dog. You guys make an auction. Give me 10% of profit.
Give me 10%. Oh, frick.
You are the first one who opened it. I'm not even
Oh,
opening
my bad.
it yet.
Why don't you ask on this DS?
That one, 40.
Oh, this.
Comes with game. I charged it last night.
Same price on that one too, or a different
Yeah, I was
price?
doing 45 with that one has a charger, but it comes with a game too. But
All right. There's a lot of DSs out here just freaking
Yeah,
broken
man.
and stuff.
that's why I charged them, man, to make sure that
make sure they work.
yeah, show people, man. that,
Appreciate it. Last time I bought one, it was broke. It was just, they're like, yeah, it works. I was like, okay, I trust you, man. Didn't even turn on. What about this over-the-hedge GameCube game? Paid $5 for it. I'll probably put it on like 15 bucks, right? All GameCube games are worth something. He had some decent games.
You just wanted one, brother?
Just one.
Okay. Go ahead, pick whichever one you want to.
All right. Let's see, I'm feeling. Damn. This is the pack right here.
Pull anything fire, bro. I'll let you spin that wheel for free if you want to do that. How's that sound?
All right. Oh, I remember last time I got a pack last time.
I
Didn't
did.
I?
You did.
Is there like a trick to this, or I don't know if there's a trick with the Japanese cards?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I know the Americans, they are.
All right.
You pull
Ooh,
the three from the back, put it in the front.
Oh. What the heck?
Oh,
Oh my god.
oh.
We got a golden EX. I don't even know how freaking nice this is. I know it's a gold card though.
I think that's a $30 card, my dog.
Oh, for real?
You got it.
Pulled that out of Scarlet?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, I just pulled it. I
right
just bought a pack and pulled it.
I mean, buy it for me.
You want it?
For real,
Yeah, what you want for it? I'll buy it.
Yeah, let me
30
see how
bucks.
much that bad boy's going
Huh?
for.
30.
Japanese cards
Yeah.
are cheaper.
I don't know. He just what he told me the price was.
I don't know what it's at though.
I'll do 25 cash right now.
I only got a 20 on me.
I might. Can I just listen to my eBay? I was probably just gonna listen to my eBay.
Got it right here.
Right. Hey.
Yeah.
We just bought a freaking Pokemon pack for $7, and look at this is what we ended up with. We ended up with $25 and a free single. This is probably like $3. That's why he's giving it for free. Not bad though. That was pretty. I could have, if I really truly wanted to, I could have pulled that card and put on my eBay for $43 or whatever, like he showed me. Who cares? I'll take the cash right now. How much for this one?
20. And this 65 for that.
And together?
The smallest I have is a price line.
100. Yeah.
How about this GameCube game?
I want 14. Look at this. We buy games too. We buy, sell, and trade.
All right.
Well, now.
This
I have Dreamcast game, Sega Saturn game, Lynx game. I have one Lynx game left somewhere. You the one that bought this morning a lot for me? No? That was you?
Just right there at the end of the video, if you saw, that was where I bought the fake Pokemon game. He charged me like 25, I think, or something. And it's worth like $50, so I should have known that it was a fake game because he had an all game booth. So why wouldn't he charge full price? I'll probably just give it away or something. I don't know what exactly I'll do with it yet. If you guys have watched this far, that means you've watched the whole video though. Put a peace emoji in the comments if you made it this far. And peace out.